Hello friend, 2022 is coming. So Huawei lock, in this new year, we will introduce two different lock into the market. The first one is the 8-language smart lock. Another one is the waterproof gate lock. Today, I will fully introduce the 8 languages smart lock for all of you guys. Which language of the 8 languages? As you see, this is the menu. You can see from the page. We are listed 8 different languages. And this is the whole menu. We will guide you to how to process for the lock. So you are not worrying of the languages because it's very detailed in the menu. So which model we can do the 8 languages? I think everybody is very familiar. This is the HI number 1, right? Very elegant smart lock in the market. HI number 1, right? Okay. And HI number 2. HI number 2. This model is economical model from Huawei lock. It's very hot selling last year. And we have a new model. I introduced the square shape, HI number 4, which I introduced some days ago. So if you guys look for this kind of your special languages, you can choose from HI number 1 or HI number 2 or HI number 4. We can offer you indifferently because the cost a little difference. For the waterproof gate lock, I will introduce in the next video. So hope you guys can comparison and to talk me further if you have any questions or concerns. Okay, thank you.